Good evening, traders. We're gonna start our first quarter earnings season, and it's in full swing. I'm giving investors some clues as to what to expect over the next 2 to 4 weeks, heading into the front end of the reporting period. The market has enjoyed a 23% rally off the March lows, actually March 23rd. In reaction to the wave of stimulus measures and improving news on the coronavirus flattening of the curve, markets were able to stage a rebound back to the 3282 level on the SPY as of yesterday. Oil stocks rallied today and began the bottoming process within the energy sector. The technology sector, along with the most recent leaders, lead the market. Near-term momentum aside, I expect the market to react to 260 level on the SPY early this week or next after seeing overbought stocks sell down on earnings news. A lot of earnings this week. The market is bullish. As you could tell, there's a lot of good setups. The S&P, actually the SPY shows the average price for May is about 264. Look for a range. Look for a range. But we're gonna come back to the markets because we want to talk about something else, and that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke 77. We look bullish here. I want you guys to start trading on Kucoin. It's actually where I trade my futures contracts, and it's pretty fun. Right here we got a tight state. The 200 moving average is above the 20. The 20 is curving up. It looks like it wants to make a cup. So usually you see cups on the downside, you got a lot of upside. And when you see cups like this one from the upside, you see downside. So I think we're going to go up from here, and I think we're going to continue to go higher. We're going to be between 7,700 and 7,790. I think that's a good range. Right now we're hitting a double bottom at 7,680. MACD has a bullish divergence here, so you see things coming down. Let's make some lines. I see a divergence, right? And then I see an upward momentum on the divergence here. So this is a divergence, and I think we're gonna see upside, as you can see. Over here we got a double bottom. About 76, 78. And 7681 and 7700, we have a little range. We might come back down to this level But I don't think so. I think we're gonna go here. I think we might go to 77.18. Now, for beginners, we could go here. And here I have a 5-minute chart. Let's go to the 1-minute chart. You know, we come back here and we go to the 1-minute chart here. Let's see what it gives us. It gives us a tight state. Even though we got a red candle here, so on top, it's bullish. Now, if this red was down here, I would say we're going down, but I'll take this. And look, we made another green candle, and it's hitting the low. Let's see if it breaks. It's hitting the high, I'm sorry, and it's gonna probably break through it. It has a cup, like I like. Cups mean bullish, remember? We got a lot of green candles here. Look at how bullish this is. And look at the divergence. Look, this is a bull flag. This is the pole, and this is the flag. Let's make some lines. I love lines. I'm like the artist, right? Remember that artist? He used to draw with the afro. That's me, man, with these things. I love to draw. You know, I love to know where I am. You know, I love it. So you see, let's see if it breaks this. If it breaks through here, we're going. Now right here, we're doing a little consolidating, but here's a square. I could make a square out of this. I could make another square out of this. Oh, we got bullish divergences, which is good. Under 1 minute. If you want to trade fast, you can. But if you ask me to trade this, my stop loss would be, I will put it right here on the 20 moving averages, about 77.04. If I have to get out of this trade, I'll put it on. I'm not scared, but I'm getting out. I'm getting out at 77.04. So, you know, it's how you feel. Over here we got a tight state. Usually, I love when it's a tight state. When it's a wide state. You know, like when it's a really wide state. Like this. They always want to come back to that 200. Always want to come back to that 200. You see this? There's a wide state here. And it came back down to 200. Now this is a tight state right here, but the red candle was on the bottom. And here I was short. My risk I will put right here. Right on top. I was short here. And I don't care what it does. And look what it did. It came all the way down where we are now. And we were in a white state again, but this is going the other way. And then it became a tight state. And then it became, yeah. So this is having trouble breaking through. But I already put on a trade. And I'm down 57 cents in this trade. So I really got to go to 77.37. Because I've been trading this a lot. So I got stuck there, but you know, I'm not scared of 58. My risk is $1. I risk $1 for every trade. This is a Kucoin. This is the kumex on the Kucoin exchange. And I'm doing Bitcoin contracts for beginners. This is a beginner's version that they have. They also have the professional, in which I like to play with this, but I like to trade over here. because it's so easy. I like simple. Over here it's a little bit more difficult to trade, in which I will make a video how to do. So my time is running short here, and I want to wish you guys happy trading and stay nimble.